Good morning, students. Have a great day. Shall we start our class with the quotes? Yes. Today's quotes. Today is the great day to learn something new. Yes, children, we are going to learn a new thing. Okay, are you ready? Yes. In last lesson, what did we compare? Yes, plants and animals. Today we are going to see about plants. It is very interesting. Okay, children, where do you see plants? Yes, you can see plants everywhere. Children, can you name some plants which have different structures? Yes, very good. Aloe vera, superb then. Cactus. Children, can you say why do they have different features? Yes, to live in their habitat. Very good. Okay, now I am going to show some pictures to you and you have to write answers for the given questions. Are you ready? Yes. Can you take your book? Page number 32. Children, see here. What is this? Yes, this is rose plant. And what is this? Yes, very good. This is water lily. Superb. Then what is this? Very good. Aloe vera. Now you are going to say answers for my question. Okay. A rose plant has thorns on it. What do you mean by thorns? In Tamil we can say முட்கள் முள்ளு பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? Yes, a rose plant has thorns on it. Why? Do you know why? Yes, very good. To protect themselves from animals. Okay. Then the leaves of water lily do not get wet. Why? Do you know why? Have you seen the water lily leaves? Very good. Because it has thick waxy coating. Wax is nothing but it won't allow to water stay on them. Okay. It makes the water to run off very easily. So the leaves of water lily do not get wet because the leaves have thick waxy coating. Okay. Then the aloe vera plants does not need much water. Why? Cut open the leaves of the aloe vera plant. What do you observe? Yes, very good. You can observe gel-like substance, is it? Then, do they need water? No, because they store lots of water in their leaves. If you cut the leaves and see the gel-like substance having, is it? What is it? It store water in their leaves. Okay, listen children, what do rose plants have? Yes, they have thorns. They have thorns. Okay, then why do they have thorns? Very good. Why? To protect themselves from animals. So, to protect themselves from animal. Okay. Then what about water lily? Yes. It has thick waxy coating. What they have? Thick waxy coating. Okay. Why do they have thick waxy coating? Yes. To run off water easily. It not get wet. It not get wet. Okay. Yes. Then what about aloe vera? Yes, very good. It has gel-like substance, is it? Then why do they have gel-like substance? Very good. Because it stores lots of water. It stores lots of water in their leaves. Okay. Children, we saw about different plants, is it? The different plants have different features, that is different structures. We see now that only another name we call features. Okay, so the different plants have different features. Why do they have different features? Do you know? Yes, very good. Then only they can live in their habitats. So, to live in their habitat. What do you mean by habitat? What is the meaning of habitat? Do you know? Environment, the place where they live. The place where they live. That only known as habitat. Okay? That only known as habitat. So, not only plants, animals also need different features. Are you clear? So, that only called as adaptation. What? Adaptation. In this lesson, we are going to see about the adaptation of plants. Okay? So, what is the name of this lesson? Do you know? Yes, adaptations in plants. Our lesson name is what? Lesson 2. Lesson name is what? Adaptation in plants. What is adaptation? The different features are behavior. Okay, the different features are behavior. All of you say, the different features are behavior in plants or animals which help them to live in their habitat. Okay, that only known as adaptation. All of you say, the different features are behavior which help plants or animals to live in their habitat. That only known as adaptation. All of you repeat it again. Different features are behavior which helps plants and animals to live in their habitat. That only known as adaptation. Are you clear, children? So, shall we learn about that adaptation in plants? Yes. Children, what are we going to learn today? Yes, adaptations in plants. Okay, answer my question. Where do you see plants? Yes, very good. In land. Okay, in land around you can see plants. Can you see plants in water? Yes, we can see plants live in water. So plants which live in land are called terrestrial plant. Terrestrial plant. Then plants which live in water are called aquatic plants. Aquatic plants. Terrestrial. What is the meaning of terrestrial? Do you know? Living on land or on ground. What is the meaning? Living on land or on ground. Okay. So, what are the two types of habitat? Land and water. The plants which live in land are called as terrestrial plants. Okay. The plants which live in water are called as aquatic plants. Children, can you say some examples for terrestrial plants? Yes, very good. Neem. Very good. Mango. So many terrestrial plants are there, is it? Very good. Coconut. Then, super. Apple tree. Banyan tree. So today your homework is you should find more examples for the terrestrial plant and aquatic plants. Okay. Can you say some aquatic plants? Yes, lotus. Water lily. Very good. Then water hyacinth. Water hyacinth. Then sea grass. Super. What is that? Sea grass. Very good. Then do you know any other aquatic plants? Do you have any ideas? Yes, pondweed. So many plants are there. You can find it. Okay. Today your homework is very interesting. You are only going to find more terrestrial plants as well as aquatic plants. Okay. Now you should answer my hard questions. Why do different plants have different adaptations? Can you say? Why can't they have the same adaptation? Very good, because they live in different habitat. They live in different habitat. Habitat means, already I told you what is habitat. Yes, the place where they live, that only known as habitat. So why do different plants have different adaptations? Because they live in different habitats. Okay. Okay children, let's recall what we learned. Okay. So what is adaptation? Adaptation is nothing but the different features or behavior which help the plants or animals to live in their environment or habitat, that only known as Adaptation. Children, how do plants classified according to their habitat? Yes, they classified into two types, terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. Plants which live in land are called as terrestrial plants. Plants which will live in water are called aquatic plants. Okay. What do you mean by terrestrial? It's living on land or on ground. Can you say some examples of terrestrial plants? Neem, mango, coconut, apple tree, banyan tree. Then aquatic plants, lotus, water lily, water hyacinth, seagrass, pondweed. Okay children, today your homework is you should find more examples in terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. Okay, is it interesting? Yes, I hope it is interesting. Okay children, let's see in the next class. Bye.